Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And as the part of exercise, let me grab the table topic for today. The table topic for today is okay. The table topic for today is how to break a bad habit. How to break a bad habit. How to break a bad habit. So when we need to break a bad habit, I feel the first thing is to know that you have a bad habit. If you don't know what's the bad habit, then it's very difficult to take an action about it, right? Even though you feel like when I say that you should know, it's not about you should genuinely know about, right? Everybody knows cigarette is bad for smoking injuries to have, but you should believe in it. Once you believe that smoking injurious, then you might try stopping it. So first thing is uh, realizing it. Second important thing is to do is change your schedule. So change something about it. For example, let's say uh, uh, in the morning when I wake up, I need to have a cigarette. The one thing that you can do about it is that when you go to sleep the previous night, just hide the cigarette somewhere, or maybe don't even have the cigarette, right? If you have some left cigarette, maybe just smoke it out because you need to break that pattern. When you wake up in the morning, you won't find the cigarette at the usual place. That's the that's the thing that you are not going to like about it, but that creates a hindrance, right? Now you don't have cigarette. Maybe you need to come out and go to a shop and have one. So that's we are delaying something. We are breaking the pattern here. In the same way, identify the pattern, pick one by one, and just break it out. Just maybe when you just really want to have a cigarette, maybe have something else, right? And I think if you follow or if you follow these few things, these few patterns about bad habits and try to eradicate it, maybe I think we can succeed. That's it. Thank you. Over to you.